Want to display and control your Android phone on your PC without installing apps on your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to set up scrcpy, a free and open source tool that mirrors your Android screen with almost no latency. Let's begin. Open your browser and search for scrcp GitHub. Open the official GitHub releases page and download the latest Windows version. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to any folder. On your Android phone, open Settings. Go to About Phone. Tap Build. Number 7 times until developer options are enabled. Go back to developer options. Enable USB debugging. Now connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. When the USB debugging permission appears, tap Allow. Open the extracted scrcpy folder, double-click scrcpy. Within a few seconds, your phone screen will appear on your computer. You can now control your phone using your keyboard and mouse. No emulator, no ads, no account required. That's it. Your Android device is now mirrored to your PC using scrcpy. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Code with Lo-Fi for more quick programming and developer tutorials.